Hello gamers, want free spins on Fire Kirin? Here's how to get them fast. First, open Fire Kirin app and check daily rewards. They often give out free spins just for logging in. How many free spins have you won so far? Drop your answers in the comments. Next, keep an eye on special promotions from Fire Kirin. This can be found on the official website or social media pages or in-app notifications for limited time events. Another way, referring friends. Share your referral link and when they sign up, you might get bonus spins or credits. Some games in Fire Kirin reward active players. Keep playing and leveling up to unlock extra spins. If you are not seeing any free spins, try reaching out to Fire Kirin support. Sometimes they offer surprise bonuses. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.